promise you won't let me down.
To my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. This one jumped into this intro because she's secretly trying to steal one of these hoodies. So today, what I am doing is blinging two of my favorite YouTubers' merch. And obviously we're wearing them, and this one is partially blinged. I'm in the middle of blinging it, and this one is blinged, and I'm pretty sure she's taking this hoodie, and now I have to buy myself another one if I want another one, which I think I do, and I might just bling it with one color, but I love the rainbow. So she is wearing Sierra Schultz's hoodie, and I'm obsessed with Sierra Schultz's channel. If you guys don't know who she is, she's all about body positivity, and for me having two daughters, it's super important for me to love people who just are all about that, and it's super important for everybody, I think. And so I really love Sierra's channel because she teaches you how to have body positivity, and if you haven't ever checked out Sierra Schultz, check her out. This bad boy, the Creative Weirdos hoodie, is Mr. Kate's. If you guys don't know who Mr. Kate is, she and her husband have this really awesome channel where they revamp, like, I don't know how you don't know who they are. So just look up Mr. Kate and watch their videos because they're just amazing. Always have been, always will be. But when I saw that she came out with this hoodie, I was like, that one, I'm blinging that one. So let us know in the comments below if you want to see me bling anybody else's merch and who else to bling, because I just went to these two because they're my absolute favorite YouTubers. And they make really cute merch. So we've done the Shane Dawson hoodie, we've now done Sierra Schultz and Mr. Kate. Who else should we bling? I don't know either. Who do you think?
Oh, I don't know who has merch.
They all have merch, and I ain't about to be blinging Jake Paul. So let me know in the description.
You should do James Charles.
James Charles merch.
Alright guys, we're going to start with the Creative Weirdos hoodie, which I am absolutely, and that's one thing I love about our bling is we have so many colors and so many sizes that you can do subtle bling if you want, or if you really love something like this and you love bling, you could bling the entire thing out, and if you do that, I definitely want to see it, so tag me on Instagram so I can see your projects. Okay. So I'm using the multi-size pack of spots on this one because you can really get into all those little, and I'm gonna use my pointy side to readjust my crystals, and then when I get them exactly where I want them with the wax side, so I'm just gonna work my way around all of the little black parts, and I don't dry them in the dryer. I hang dry anything that I've blinged, and I also them the better, but yes, they do wash. Okay, so for the unfiltered, I kind of wanted to go a little bit more fun with this one, so I decided to use all the colors instead of just the black. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. Baby, I still wear the shirt you gave me, 'cause it reminds me of the times when I was down and you were there to save me, telling me that I'll be fine. Put some music on, turn the lights down low, throw the pillows off the bed, blow the candles out, move your body slow. You got something on your mind, I'ma try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it go. Try to help you let it. If you got something got to the end of the rainbow on this one, I decided I wanted to kind of fade it out to look like it was like light was coming in. So I added in a few different of our pinks. I added Jane all the way into Enchanted so that it could end on white. And after doing this, I actually gave this one to Landis, as you saw in the intro, but I want to buy another one and do it kind of all pink to white because I think that it would look so good with the white behind it. And this was just a fun little experiment, and I think it turned out pretty cool.
Promise you won't let me down.